We headed over to the Charlotte IKEA because Mindy was tired of my t-shirts being everywhere. Alright, let's head towards the entrance and see if we can find this. Anybody want a chalkboard bookcase? 25 of these. Lots of them. This is actually what we're looking for. Probably not the drawers. But all kinds of fun stuff you can do. They're very modular. I think that's more like what we're going to do. I like it. It's going to be nice. I think it's going to be very useful. It does look like our TV when we just let it go for too long. It just goes into that mode where it shows cityscape. Let's take this cart. Take this and get it paid for and see if we can fit it in the car. That's going to be the big question. Let's get this back to the car and see if it'll fit. I'm kind of nervous.
Back to the queen.
Just about. That's what we're going to see.
It's all in there in some form. It's gonna be an uncomfortable trip home though. You may not get to look at Chris the whole trip.
Now we can get these things home. See? Kind of packed back there for sure. Here's what this monster looks like on the ground. Here's what it looks like finished with the individual totes filled with the t-shirts. Mindy came up with this very handy labeling system to make it easier to find exactly what shirt I'm looking for based on category. So if, say for instance, I was feeling plain and wanted a plain t-shirt, pop it open and pull out a plain t-shirt. That's fun. Or if I was in the mood to wear something that I'd received in a P.O. box party, I just pop it open and look for whichever P.O. box party t-shirt I want to wear that day. It's a very convenient system and it's helped me a lot, especially when you're trying to wear 365 different t-shirts throughout the year. I couldn't make it without a good system or a good wife. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you next t-shirt. Do I need a mirror with all these lights? Is that how I get a really good look at my t-shirt when I put it on every day?